Howdy y'all, welcome back to Hollis Garage. So, I didn't realize I left the hood up on that. Well, it's been a while since I've been out here, but we're out here getting ready to bring this one home. Parts truck for Old Ugly. Definitely a parts truck. But, you know, does it have a fuel tank, a fuel opening over on that side?
Yeah, it's got a fuel flask.
Ah, thank God. Whew. Broken, but a necessity. But, yeah, it's just like I remember. This thing is nasty. But the real question is, are we going to have a problem with wasps? Because I got to ride in this thing. And I'm not looking forward to it. So, first things first, we're going to check, see if this thing's got brakes, and pull it out of its hole. And see if we can't get this thing back home, because I absolutely need these dually beds because they're actually intact. I think I never did check this side. It's intact but chipping. I will have to do a little bit of body work, but it's on 16.5s. I do like this bed a lot more than the other one, but it's rotted out. But I'll have to take the bed sides off because I need the dually bins. Heck, I might just swap the bed entirely. I don't know yet. But let's get you in here and you can look at this thing. Huh? Oh. Well, I have opened this door before. Let's see if it's as bad as I remember. Yep, it's just as bad, if not worse. The good thing is I don't see any wasp nests yet. That's going to be an uncomfortable ride home. And I do remember taking this off. Hey, Dad! They routed the horn to a button! Okay, square body rescuing a square body. There we go. Factory. I got some sort of paper. Brown paper. There. This is nice and pretty. It would be more pretty if it wasn't broken. Yeah, this thing's been baking. Yeah, this is going to be a fun drive home. But as you can see, it's a manual, I believe 5-speed? 4-speed? 4-speed, I think. I can't exactly tell. Well, I gotta see if I can get this window to roll down. I don't see any wasps. We do have a trailer brake, which is good. Old Ugly has one of them. Turn signal, operational. Steering wheel, just as sticky as I thought it was going to be. Cab is absolutely shot. You got a whole bunch of rot going on here. Something ripped the window, the mirror off. Oh, it came with a matchbook, so we can burn it down whenever it comes to it.
So it's been off the road for a while.
But we got the old Steelies with the hubcaps. I don't know if the rears have them. No, of course not. Dually. Looks like they didn't change the front axle. They would have had to change the front axle if they were doing everything, but it's got the regular rims on the front. Which, we've got Mitzi's spare tire if we absolutely need it. Might rob this bumper to put on it. It's not too awfully bent. Fridge is coming with it because, you know, fuck it, it's a fridge. Now the question is, Does this door open? Aha! The door opens. Double check, make sure we don't have any wasp nest over here. I don't see one. Ooh! Pepsi can. Let's see. 99. That tracks with the tags on the truck. Yep, 1999. This one was parked in 99 and then probably never touched again. Got some registration of some sort? Question mark? Oh, this is inspection. I can see that. See if we can figure out what year this thing is. Effective date 91. American Economy Insurance Company, Indianapolis, Indiana. 79. That's a 79. So yeah, the first year that they came out with the flaps. So if you remember on Old Ugly, close. Well, that might be a problem. Oh, it's because of all this. Yeah. There we go. She's closed now. Alright. And open. No wasp nest in there. Or wait. Yeah, no wasp nest. Good old classic. So I'll probably end up having to take the fuel hoses off of this for this and swap that into the truck if I'm going to keep these flaps. I'll have to if I'm keeping these bedsides. Otherwise, I'm going to have to do a hell of a lot of body work. But, you know, for a truck that's been sitting out in this field, Old Ugly was actually rescued from over there and revived. And I drove it home. This one, I'm not going to be so lucky. I did throw a battery in it back last time I was here, and it melted the battery cable off. So I ain't going to mess with it. I don't know where that battery is. Oh, that's the one that came out of this. Yeah, it might be worth bringing home. I don't know. But yeah, parked in 99. You can see all the stuff I did to it. I rode this last year. That's why there's not a radiator in it, because I took it out. It's missing a headlight. So, and I might save some of this chromage because I will need some, because it doesn't have any other regular chromage as a square body, which kind of sucks, because I want to do the build with the chrome following where the chrome's supposed to go, and I was going to do the two-tone black cherry maroon and then a black on the center. But these front fenders are definitely a saver. And who knows, if that transmission isn't terrible, I might see if I can't swap it in. Pete Mitzi's new airline. And we're gonna see if we can't pull this thing out of the dirt and figure out what we're gonna do about getting it out of here. And then I'm gonna have to sit in this hot ass thing and steer it home. But first we gotta make sure we have brakes. All right, so got her out, got Mitzi hooked up, we got it pulled out. I'm the guinea pig in the cab, and I get to live with my rat enclosure. I'm gonna set you up on the dash and see if I can time lapse this, because I've never done this on Samsung. just really tailgating this dude. And thankfully, you know, my brake just went out. So this guy's my new brake. He doesn't know it yet, but I really appreciate him being my brake. In all seriousness, this is right where I was. I went right past the same area where Old Ugly, whenever I first revived her, decided to have her first breakdown. This one isn't doing awfully bad yet. Sorry, I had to have a moment of silence because as soon as I said that last time, it went haywire. I'm being rained on by documents. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. I'm about to become the brake again. I'll check back with you whenever we get this thing home. It was such a very well and thought out plan. What could go wrong? I don't have any rear view mirror. Oh wait, I have that rear view mirror. I got a fridge behind me. But with all of this, I am covered in everything that came from up there, and I am sitting in mouse shit. Someone save me, please. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. Thankfully, we haven't blown out a tire yet. I see Highway 6. I'm saved. I'm saved. We're almost home. Hold on. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I'm pretty sure I smell the brakes smoking. Or something smoking. Something's getting hot. And I can smell it. And it's not all this rat poop. I don't have a clutch. I don't have brakes. It doesn't run, so the gas doesn't think. Why did I think this was a good idea? So we're on the final stretch of gravel. And I said something that tickled me funny. It's the first time these tires seen pavement in 30 years. But yeah, we almost got her home. And then we'll have our parts truck. Because this thing is the nastiest mouse rat filled haven I have ever ridden in. And I've ridden in a lot of them. Well, a few of them. This is just, I can taste the mouse poop. And I am done. I'm ready to get home. Ready for this to be over. And I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take a long nap. We made it home in one piece, I think. I switch you around and look at this thing. So, something I realized just a minute ago is we got 16s in the front, 16.5s in the rear. We got 9.5 16.5s in the rear, and 7.5 16s in the front. And one side's not bad. That brake's dragging. Don't ask me how I found out. Don't ask me how I found out. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna cool it down. Or wait. Maybe I should cool it down at the source. That hubcap is not gonna come off. It's just bending the screwdriver. Nothing. Well, yeah, it's hot. I think the brakes are locked up. I don't think I wasn't dragging it. Was I dragging a wheel? Or was the brakes just touching?
The brakes are just dragging hard.
That's what I thought. Well, it sizzled this windshield wiper fluid. Let me check this side quick. I don't think this one is. Yeah, that side's good. Rears are fine. Yep, both rears are fine. It's just this one. Oh. I don't know how I'm gonna get the hubcap off. How am I gonna push it? I don't really even know how these hubcaps do come off. Got it. Oh yeah. She's toasty. Well, I'll stay here for a little bit and make sure it doesn't. Man, I could grill an egg on this. Legs don't look too terrible. Hubcap itself is cooled off. But yeah, the brakes are dragging. Actually, I'm going to leave that hubcap off, even though I want those lugs to stay good. I want to let that air out and cool off. But there you have it. Another square body rescue. What'd y'all do this weekend? Hit your little bell, or like, comment, subscribe, hit your little bell notification. So you get notified whenever I post stupid things like this. And I'll check back with you later.